A very warm welcome to all the students of class 8. Today I am here with a new video of English Grammar, Chapter 7, Conjunction, Part 1. Chapter 7, Conjunction. See, in sentences, what is used to connect? See, in any sentence, what is used to connect? That is, what is a conjunction? It is a part of speech that connects two words, sentences, or clauses. Conjunction joins two or more words. Example, I went to the store to buy eggs, milk and bread. See here that I went to the store to buy eggs, milk and bread. Three words are there. So, egg, milk and bread. So, and is used. You must pick an orange or pear and eat at the table. See, you must pick orange or pear. There is a choice. Or is used. And eat at the table and sit and eat at the table. See, conjunctions. A conjunction link words, phrases and clauses together in a sentence. Here are few examples. He went swimming after school. Here after is a conjunction. She got some balloons for the party. For is a conjunction. She had a burger and a milkshake for dinner. See, she had burger and milkshake. So, and is a conjunction. Now today we are going to learn about coordinating conjunctions. A coordinating conjunctions connects words, phrases or groups of words in a sentence. The words or phrases being connected should be equal or similar. See, there are 7 coordinating conjunctions in the English language. An easy way to remember the coordinating conjunctions, and they are a word fanboys. See, now we'll see. F for, A for an, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet and S for so. See, by remembering a word fanboys, we can remember all the coordinating conjunction for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. See, now we will see this coordinating conjunctions with their functions and with the example. First one, for. They present a reason, a cause any. For example, he is gambling with his health. For, he has been smoking since high school. See, he is gambling with his health. Why? Because for he has been smoking since high school. See, there is a reason behind it. The next one is and, that present non-contrasting items or ideas. See, non-contrasting there. They eat and watch television at the same time. See, both the thing they are doing. Eat and watch, and they are non-contrasting. The next one is nor. They present non-contrasting negative ideas. See here, nor for a negative one. Nor Arnold or Arun, both of them are not bodybuilder. See, Arun nor this one, Arnold, they both of them are not bodybuilder. So, or is used. But present a contrast or exception. See, there is a contrast and exception also. They gamble but they don't smoke. See, they are gambling, they are gambles, but they don't smoke. Or present an alternative idea or item. See, in the or, please choose either badminton or football as your favorite sport. See, you have to choose either one of it, alternative one, any item or any idea, badminton or football. So, or is a coordinating conjunction. Yet, They present a contrast or exception. What they present a contrast also or any exception. For example, your proposal might be sound, yet we will have to raise the fund required for its realization. See, the word yet is used over here. So they present a consequence. And so what they present? A consequence. He hates to drink milk, so he tried to drink soy for breakfast. See, he does not like to drink milk. He hates to drink milk. So he tried to drink soy for breakfast. So he is having that. All of you understood? All these words for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. See, all these are coordinating conjunction. Hope you all have understood. Thank you for watching this video.